Alright, hey guys, if you're watching this video, then you want to review division with remainders, and this is the short way. If you're like, ooh, I do the long way, then go to the other video and watch that one. If you're doing that, I'm going to do the first problem. I'm going to do two of them. The first one I'm going to do is going to have, I'm going to draw a picture to go with it, so hopefully it will make more sense to you. I'm going to do 1,748 divided by 7, and I'm also going to draw a picture over here of what it's going to look like. There's my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands, okay? So I'm going to look at my M&Ms. I always think these are M&Ms, and then this is how many people. So I have 1,000 thousands, so I'm going to put a 1,000. I have 7 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? I also have 7 people, so I need to make, there's 1 person, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And they're who's sharing these M&Ms. So I'm going to start with my thousands. Well, if I'm thinking I have 1,007 people, I know that won't work because 7 times nothing gets me to 1. So I can't do this. So I'm going to put a 0 here because it's not going to work. And then I'm going to think, well, if I have one of these and I have to split them and put them in the hundreds place and regroup, I'm going to think how many hundreds are there in 1,000? And there's 10. So this is going to become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Which means that I now have 17 hundreds. 10 plus 7 is 17. Now I'm like, ooh, I definitely can divide this. 17 divided by 7. If I think about my multiples, 17 would fall right here, so 14 is as high as I can go. That's 7 times 1. 7 times 2 gets me really close to 17. So everyone's going to get 2. 1, 2. Everyone's getting 2. Okay? If I cross that off, total I've given away 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are X'd out, and these are my extras. So if I have 3 left over, I know I have 3 because 14 to 17. 14 plus 3 is 17. So I have 3 left over. Those 3 are going to go in my tens, which is why I now have 34 tens. So I have my 4 tens, so I'm going to have to make 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? There's the 30 that I just added. Okay? So if I have those 30, I now have 34 tens. Well, if I divide that by 7, 34 divided by 7, I'm going to continue counting my multiples. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Okay, so I have 34. So that's going to fall right here. So I'm going to have to go with 28 because that's closest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 times 4 gets me to 28. Okay? So everyone's going to get 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that means I've given out 28. So I have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Well, I'm thinking 28 and I'm trying to get to 34. What would get me there? What's my remainder? Well, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I know that my remainder is 6. So now I have to take these extra 6 and I have to put them in my ones place, okay? So that means if I have 6 tens, that's 60 ones. I'm not going to draw 60 ones. I'm just going to write 60 ones. So now I have 60 ones that I regrouped plus these original 8. So I have 68 ones, which is right here. Now I have to divide 68 divided by 7. Well, again, I'm going to think about my multiples, and I'm going to count by 7s until I get as close as I can to 68. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50, 56, 6. Wait, where am I going to 68, 63. And then that's going to be as high because then 70's next. So 68 would be here. So 63. So that's 7 times 9. Okay? So I'm going to give away, everybody's going to get 9. I don't know if there's actually 9 in all those. Let's just pretend that there's 9s in all of these. And if I give away 9 to everybody, then that means I've given away 63 of these. So if I've given away 60, 1, 2, 3, then I have this many left over. Because 63 to 68 is plus 5, so my remainder is 5 because I have 5 left over. How I would check this is with multiplication. Okay? So I'm going to think 249 times how many people, which is 7, and I'm going to multiply. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, those don't match, but oop, I can't forget my remainder, so I have to plus my remainder. And then this is my final answer, and this matches my original answer, so I know I am correct. Obviously, this is a lot of work that goes into one problem if we draw it. So I'm going to show you one more where we don't draw it, and I just show you the short way. Okay, so it's 3,871 divided by 4. Okay, so now I'm thinking 3. Can 4 go into 3? Well, no, because that's too many. So I'm going to put a 0 because it doesn't work. Now I'm thinking, well, I had to have regrouped my hundreds, so now I have 38 tens. 38 divided by 4. The closest I can get is 9, because 4 times 9 is 36. And 36 to 38, I have 2 left over that I need to use, so those 2 are going to come here, and I have 27. 4 times 6 gets me to 24, and 24 to 27 is plus 3, so I have 31 left over. And then 4 times what gets me really close to 31, 4 times 7, which is 28, 29, 30, 31, and I have a remainder of 3 left over. Again, I can check it by taking my answer times how many people. 9 times 4 is 36, 37, 38. And then adding my remainder, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7. And it should match my original number, which it does. So I know I am correct. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful and you see why we do what we do. And good luck on your homework. And let me know tomorrow if you have any questions. Okay, bye.